Hello guys, today I'm going to review the Puritix HAP260. The HAP260 is a HEPA air purifier equipped with triple filter protection. These three filters are designed to protect from a variety of household allergens and pollutants. First, air travels through a fabric pre-filter, a feature that removes pet hair, dust mites, and large particles from entering the system. Next, the particle filter eliminates mold, allergens, pollen, and other irritants to keep your air clean and safe. Finally, a carbon filter traps ultrafine particles to remove smoke and odor-causing bacteria. Impressively, this HEPA air purifier cleanses at a rate of 250 square feet every 15 minutes, a ratio that translates into 1,000 square feet per hour. Complete with an LED display with a user-friendly interface, the HAP260 will keep you up to date regarding all of your system's operations and functioning efficiency. With multiple settings, you can adjust the purifier's cleaning to low, medium, or high, depending on the needs of your environment. Don't forget to take advantage of the auto-off timer on your HEPA air purifier. This helpful setting allows users to run the device for 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours and walk away. The machine shuts off on its own after the program time expires. Great for all buildings, the HAP260 is equipped with a quiet mode setting. This feature quiets the purifier to a barely audible hum of 23 decibels. Thanks for watching.